What's up, YouTube? It is Tuesday. So if you're over here and it's Tuesday, that means you saw me what? Clean that chicken. Now I'm about to show you guys what I'm about to do. I'm about to make some baked chicken. Yes. So come on in my kitchen with me. Watch me make this baked chicken. And you may want to do this for your Christmas dinner or Christmas Eve dinner or just any dinner. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Yes, yes. Come join me on New Year's, me and my mom, if you don't have anything to do on New Year's Eve, come join me. We're going to be here playing music, having some fun, just some in-house fun. Me, my mom, and my children. Yeah, so come join us on New Year's the 31st. Not New Year's the 31st, December the 31st. Guys, let's go in my kitchen. They making noise in the background. Let's go cook. Okay, guys, we're back. See, my pan is empty. I'm going there with my chicken. Hands been washed. This good clean chicken. Y'all saw me clean for the family. Now I'm about to show you what I'm making in the kitchen. What I'm making. Quick, simple recipe. Quick, simple recipe, guys. I got my oven preheating on 375 for my chicken. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Oh, so you gotta be careful. Look at this. There go a piece of feather. You gotta make sure you get it all, boo. And at this point, you want to see, yeah, I'm getting all these. This is going in the oven. But I'm making 2 trays of this. So I'm showing you guys how I put together 1 tray. So at this point, my chicken is nice and clean. And let me wash my hands real quick. And I'm going to get my seasonings and everything together, guys. And my seasonings for me, for my chicken, is my flour that I'm using on my chicken. Hope you guys can still hear me. Okay, so at this point, whatever seasonings that you want to use in your house, go to town with. Go to town with. But I'm going in with SoulfulT flour. Yes, and this is going in the oven. It's going in the oven, guys. I'm going in with my hands. Because it's like any seasonings. When you season the top, you want to make sure that the top gets seasoned, the back gets seasoned. You want everything nice and seasoned. So I'm going to go in with the seasons that's at the bottom of this pan. Look at that. You want everything to be seasoned well. So whatever seasons you're using, rub them in with your hand and make sure that you do the front and the back of that chicken. Make sure you do the front and the back of that chicken. Coat it. Let me wash my hands again. Okay. Now, I want some Lipton onion mix. See this right here? Some Lipton onion mix. I'm just going to sprinkle this whole package all over here. All over my chicken. Yes, I am. And then I'm going to add in a can of cream of chicken. Can you guys see that? Oh, up there. A can of cream of chicken. It's blurry, I apologize. This is gonna be a short video, but a good video, a good recipe. And you can make anything you want with this. You can make some rice, some mashed potatoes, anything you want, you guys. I'm doing those little Lipton rices that I have in here. I want to get everything out of here with this cream of chicken. Yeah, this smells so good. It's not even cooked in the oven, and you want to get it all. I don't need nothing in this can. Nothing at all. And you just want to spread it all on top of the chicken, just like that. Just spread it. That smells good. Just the stuff that you're cooking alone smells good. I'm telling you. Okay. I'm going there with my chicken broth. Now I'm just going to go down on the corners. Remember, chicken is going to make water. Go down on the corners. That's it. It's about maybe a half a cup of chicken broth I put in here. This is what it looked like. Putting this in the oven on 375. I'm going to check on it halfway through. About an hour. I'm going to let this cook at least an hour and 20 minutes. You don't want your chicken to dry up or anything like that. Halfway through, going to take it out. Going to mix it up. Place it back in the oven. And let it continue to cook. Yes. I'm elevating our baked chicken, guys. Look at that chicken, y'all. It's almost ready. I'm going to show y'all what it looked like. To see how it made its own gravy. Now, if y'all remember, I made turkey wings. And I did went in, guys, I added a little bit more chicken broth to this. It's only been cooked. Oh, look at that steam. I'm sorry. But, look at this. You know. I mean, that stop messing with it, but that steam will come down off of it. And I got a chicken and gravy video, but I didn't make it this way. It's just so many different ways you can improve on the flavor of your food. And look at this. This has been cooked in the oven for at least an hour. I want to make sure it's done. Look at this. It came out so, it's coming out so good. I'll put this back in the oven. So on 375, I'm going to give it like 20 more minutes. And this is, oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's good. That is good. Lord. I'll put this back in the oven. I want to eat. Okay, guys. Look at my chicken and gravy. This came out so good. About this hour and 20 minutes. I mean, you can add anything to this, onions or anything. But I use my flour, chicken broth, the onion lettuce soup, and the cream of chicken. And this came out amazingly good. I mean, it's chicken and gravy. I did it before, you know, but I didn't do it this way. To show you different ways that you could do things. I'm about to plate this, guys. Look at that. You know that broccoli and rice? I made some of that Knowles broccoli and rice, guys. All you have to do is plate this chicken. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Put some of this gravy on top of there. It's up to you. Look at that. Look at that. That looks so good, guys. That gravy is wonderful. Somebody's eating good tonight. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, I am out. Another chicken gravy video, but made differently. Yes. Happy holidays, everyone.